Okay, let's dive into this wild story from the hotel world. Needle, thread, and a towel.
So it all kicks off with a pretty shocking discovery. A needle in a hotel towel. An accident or something else?
Picture this. A guest is making a huge scene in the lobby, shouting for everyone to hear. This all went down at a fancy five-star resort in Malaysia. A guest from Singapore was on vacation.
And he wasn't just looking for an apology. Oh no, he had a whole list of demands.
He even threatened to call the newspapers and claim it was attempted murder. Talk about high stakes.
So, the director of housekeeping, Nancy Leong, steps in. She promised to investigate, but something felt off.
Here's the first big clue. A dark blue thread on a pure white towel. You couldn't miss it.
And get this, every single towel at this place is folded by hand. A real person touches every one.
So the big question became, how on earth did a staff member miss that?
Then a supervisor had a brilliant idea. You know, we provide sewing kits in the rooms.
So while the guests were out, Nancy and her supervisor went to the room to check things out.
And whoa, first surprise. 2 kids and their maid were in there. They weren't supposed to be.
Yup, a quick call to the front desk confirmed it. Only 2 adults were registered for that room. And then bam, the smoking gun. The complimentary sewing kit in the desk drawer had been opened.
Check this out. When you put a new kit next to the one from the room, now they had real evidence. The needle probably came from right inside that very room.
So, when the guest returned, they laid out the proof for him to see.
They gently suggested, maybe, just maybe, one of the kids was playing with it.
His reply was pretty cagey. Just an irritable, let me check with them first.
He never admitted anything, but he still kept demanding free stuff from the hotel.
But this time, the hotel didn't back down. And guess what? No bad press ever showed up.
You know that old saying, the guest is always right? Well, this story kind of shows that sometimes that's just not true.
It really makes you wonder, when a guest's story is falling apart, where do you draw the line?